Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin. One of the last videos that I posted was, I did post that we were starting the rally towards 50,000, I think like a week or so ago, right? And so far that's come into play, right? I mean, as of right now, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. We're almost exactly a week since I released that video of me saying that, we're headed towards 50,000. And my forecast for February 24th, so basically by the end of this month, is around 56,000 for Bitcoin. I do think that we're headed into that trajectory even before the whole Tesla buying 1.5 billion of Bitcoin. Even before that happened, I still thought that we were headed towards this number, right? I do think that we are going to be headed towards 56K. I mean, I'm basically dropping the ball on that right now, right? Like, I'm letting you guys know, I think that 56K is the next mark for Bitcoin. I did say like a week ago that I think within the next month, we're probably going to hit that. Everything on the chart looks completely strong. There's no reason to not be bullish on Bitcoin right now, right? But I just wanted to update you guys. Somebody wanted me to release a Bitcoin TA. But I mean, there's not too much to talk about Bitcoin. I do think it's headed up. I released a TA on Bitcoin like a week ago, and I basically said that we're starting the rally towards 50,000 plus, for the price point, right? I think I released it sometime here, which was a couple of days ago. This is February 7th. So not February 7th, but actually, I think I actually released it sometime around here, which was actually the last price, the last point that I actually I set, right? So it was February 2nd. I don't know. I might have released it one of these days, but I do think, like I said, it's not gonna be a long video. I just updating you guys on Bitcoin TA because somebody asked, but I do think we're headed towards 50K. We're at 47,000, which is not, we're basically there, right? And I released that video like a week ago saying that we're gonna hit Bitcoin 50K within the next month. Turns out we're actually doing it in about a week or so, and I actually think my price target is actually closer to 60,000, which is 56,000. Which is in relation to the previous like mini bull runs we've had or mini run-ups we've had for Bitcoin, right? So I just wanted to update you guys on that really quick on the TA, just looking at the price points and stuff. Still strong, still bullish on every single chart. I do think we're going to cross that 50K mark more than likely, this weekend, possibly even sooner. But as far as my price point, I think it's 56,000 for Bitcoin within the next month or so. I do think we're going to get there. And I'll see you guys later.